Yo, happy new week, guys. Good morning, everyone. It's Miles Bond. Okay, welcome everyone. This is a new week, new day, Monday. Welcome everyone. Before I see anything, let's welcome everyone. Telegram link in bio. Okay. So happy today. Let's see what I have. Well, I think streaming. Why are you poor, guy? Okay. Send, bro. So just before I forget, I just need to wait for 1 hour. We just have 17 minutes. Okay. Once this candle closes bullish, we are gonna take a buy. For now, we just need to wait because anything can happen in 15 minutes. I'm gonna take a buy immediately. This 1 hour candlestick closes bullish. Okay, so let's just see what we have. Meanwhile, throughout last week, let me close my trades. I actually sold good though from here. I actually sold, so let me close them because the tension for this week is just buy. So I'm gonna close my entries of sell. Too many entries, bro. Okay, so that's it. Good. So I've already been buying gold right when it was at 56 actually. I even set buy limit, but it didn't reach there, so let me delete all this buy limit I set. Okay, so we are waiting for 1 hour candlestick now to get a decider. I know it's we can buy from there, but we don't need to rush into the market. Okay, it's best we wait for the right moment before we take any trade. Meanwhile, over the weekend I had a Bitcoin setup which I didn't share, or I knew it was gonna reach there. I bought Bitcoin from around here. Let's see. Yeah. Where is that 1 hour candlestick? I bought Bitcoin around here, okay? Because I already seen this, I saw this, so I drew this. Okay, and that was where I bought Bitcoin from. And of course, my take profit was there. Full take profit was here. Okay, around 75 whatever. That was where I bought Bitcoin from. I think I have a screenshot of that over the weekend. So definitely I'm not gonna kill myself for everyone. I had to trade alone, and this was the tightest stop loss I could use here, 45 pips. And already right now I'm just waiting for my full take profit. My full take profit should be around here too. Okay, that's 170 something, just here. But I've already taken that. That's that for Bitcoin. Okay, that was over the weekend. I didn't drop the setup. Okay, so nobody should attack me now and said, bro, why didn't you drop the setup? I can't drop every setup. Okay, not everything I can drop. I drop the ones that I feel is okay for everyone to trade. Okay, so that was where I bought Bitcoin from. Let me see if I can get a screenshot of that. Yes, that's it here. And we're still waiting for it to get to the full take profits. Okay, so that was how I traded Bitcoin over the weekend. Okay. Things. Okay, so YouTube not receiving stream. Okay, it's receiving stream. Okay. Entry point in good for upside, sir. Yep, that's what I do share in my special channel, bro. I just give you the zones, and it's left for you to use your head to find the entry zones. But for me to call out the zones here, that's impossible. People in those in my special channel knows how we trade. Okay, they know how we trade. So I don't call out the entry points here on live. I only give the zones, and if you figure it out, then you're good to go. But for those in my special channel, they know the entry zone has been dropped already. Okay, and you just need to listen to whatever I'm saying here. Every single word I say here is important, even though sometimes I do keep quiet, but I do say words. Okay, so just listen to what I say. I just said we have a support here. As you can see, this is a support here. Okay, let's bring it. As you can see, support good is respecting the support, and as long as I said, we just have 11 minutes to wait for this 1 hour candlestick here. All right, so if this 1 hour candlestick, it's gonna close just above my rectangle here as the support, then I'm gonna take a buy back to 34.50 and so on. But aside that, if it doesn't, maybe even though it closes here and comes back to break the support, then I'll wait for the main buy zone finish. Okay, so just use your head. Already you can see the square here. The square is here, the buy zone is here. 1 hour time frame. Just enter your charts, enter your trading view. As simple as that. Enter your charts, enter your trading view. Draw the same thing I drew. That's how to learn. Draw the same thing I drew. Okay, draw the rectangle. See the zone I marked. I don't hide the zones. This is it here. Just fair value gap, supply, and then on the supply is where I want to buy. Finish. That's just simple. And break of structure here. That's just it. Of course, even though you don't want to use this fair value gap, you can use the support. You can use this demand here. You can still use this demand. You can still use this support. It's just as easy as that. There's nothing to stress your brain for. Looking for the right zone to enter already is there, looking at you. Okay, so that's just it. Anil Jangid. What is stop loss? Can I plan for upside? I just told you, bro. Is this your Anil Jangid? Probably this is your first time joining my live. Probably. Well, welcome. Okay, welcome, and thank you for dropping your comments. I just said it just now. If you want to get entry zone, stop loss, you got to join my trading community. That's where I drop it. Don't see it on live. Just easy. Doesn't get harder than that. Get it? Uh-oh. Okay, connected successfully. I'm having issues with my connections. I don't know. Okay, it's back online. New by signal called. It's perfect. Excellent. Good. So we just have 5 minutes to wait, okay? And of course, Bitcoin has already hit. I'm just waiting for Bitcoin to hit my full take profit here. My full take profit is 107,800. That's where my full take profit is. And that's what I'm waiting for. The setup was done over the weekend. Okay. So like I said, I didn't drop it. Over the weekend setup. Okay, let's check gold. Still there. I have a low battery. Just 5 minutes won't kill you. Okay, just 4 minutes. Already, I know. Yeah, it's a buy from here because this 1 hour candlestick, but I just needed to close exactly above this rectangle here. Then we're gonna take a buy. What was this? That's 34.15. You can put your stop loss just exactly below here, below this rectangle here. Okay, on that will be a fat stop loss, but 34 3409 3408 point something. It will be larger stop loss, but I just have this a risky setup, and this is my main buy zone. Okay, so it's not as if I'm trying to force anyone to enter into the market. Just need patience. Okay, it's best we wait, say, just 3 minutes to go. Okay, let's see. Why are you showing me this? All right, so I'm gonna take a buy now. Okay, guys, so I've taken a buy now at 34.15.5, and you also can take at 34.16 according to your account size. Okay, you're not gonna risk more because right now this stop loss is more huge than you can expect. Okay, so I'm gonna take a buy at 34.15. This is a risky buy, that's me being impatient. 34.15. Okay, taking a buy here, and then just risk stop loss at 34.10, 34.09, 34.08 highest max stop loss. Okay, maximum stop loss. Let's put max 34.0. What's this? 08.5. That's your maximum stop loss for this buy. Yeah, it's already at the 35. Okay, that's why I said we should wait for just the 1 hour to close, and you can see what's happening now. Immediately it's just falling down. So yep, I'm gonna take a buy now, and max stop loss it's gonna be, so now it's more safer to put stop loss at 38 because it's just 50 pips. 34.08. Okay, now it's more safer because it's just 50 pips. So this is me being impatient actually. Okay, that's me being impatient. Buy, mid risk buy, high risk buy. High risk buy at 34.13. Okay, good. So we just did that. High risk buy at 34.13 and stop loss at 34.08. Let's see where good takes us to. Just 50 pips, guys. I'm not risking more than that. Okay, so let's see. Okay, guys, so as long as you took the buy, you should be in 20 pips profit now. As easy as that. It doesn't get harder than that. Okay, so let's see. What you're currently hearing is me trying to close some trades I took earlier. Okay, so it's nothing special. It's just so okay, if you took that trade, okay, don't be shy to say win at least. I think to the 15 pips or so. I think 15 pips or so. Now, don't forget to like, share, comments on this live. It helps a lot to go a long way, at least to know that I'm doing something great here, building a community. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, don't forget to share, like, comments, and what have you. Okay, that helps too. So that's a high risk buy there, buying at 34.13, stop loss 34.08, and I think we are on 20 pips now. That was impatient, but it's what taking that risk. Then this is my main buy zone, just below here. Okay, that's around 33.88. So we just need to see which one gets first. And of course, that's a boom there. That's 30 pips on live, guys. Let me see if I can update the community. You see the advantage of being patient. It said wait for 1 hour candle to close bullish. That's this blue here instead of black, because I changed my candlestick's color just for trading emotion's sake. Black is red, then blue is the green candle you know in your charts. Okay, so it closed bullish, even though it did not close above my support, but at least it showed some signs of rejection here. There was rejection here. The next candle still rejected, coming all the way till above this candlestick, which has confirmed bullish engulfing, whatever you can call it. And then we have now the second candlestick trying to push above. So if we continue getting this push here, we're gonna expect gold back to 34.50 or above. Okay, so that's what we're gonna expect. So right now I just want to try to close some early entries I made, and then close one entry also that is on 30 pips. That's why I open 4 position, maximum 0.1 lot size for risk management. Then once I'm in profit, I'm gonna close 1, hold 3. Once I reach 100 pips, I close 1, hold 2. Once I reach 200 pips, I close 1 and hold 1. Then allow it to ride till King don't come. So then once I reach 300 pips, then I can close that to 0.5, and then we write the remaining. So that's a perfect buy, guys. Congratulations to everyone. I would like some win in the charts, but I definitely know some people who still say I couldn't take the trade just not to show themselves. I'm still gonna say I didn't take the trade, bro. I was waiting for what, and that's 35 pips plus on live. There's no any special skills you're gonna see you have aside the simple call of patience. That was just simple patience and nothing else. I just said be patient to get that, and look what you get yourself. 40 pips. Okay, 40 pips already. Being patient. That's how I trade. Just patience is the best way, guys. Yeah, thank you, bro. I know you always win, Vignesh. Win. Drop me win. Let's drop that win. I don't know why this is still showing error. Let's drop that win there. Okay. I didn't. Okay. I dropped that win in the comments. All right, 40 pips, and we know what to do from there. Setting break even now, although it's small, but not as small as a morning trade. Okay, break even set, and let's ride it, guys. Congratulations, everyone, and that's how we do it every day. I need Jangid. I think this is the first time I'm seeing you commenting. Congratulations to you for getting into the trade. That's how it works. I think you said it. Your patience level is 100%. That's just as easy as that. Just be patient. Wait for the candlestick to close and give it a shot. With that, I think some of you that likes going full margin. Okay, some of you that like going full margin, with that patience you can go full margin at any given cost. Okay, imagine I said we should wait for 1 hour candlestick to close inside the support with a bullish, and you waited. See, exactly, you waited, it closed. The next candlestick was just next to it. No drawdown, no what do they call it? It says zero float, zero drawdown. And imagine you just, I'm not advising you to trade full margin, okay? Well, let's just say you just started tapping 0.1, just kept tapping from here. See what you've gotten. 56 pips currently. Let's just say 60 pips currently from where it was. So even if you went full margin, you must have flipped your account. But I'm not advising full margin. Okay, you need to trade responsibly if you really want to make it. Perfect entry, bro. 34.3.10 SS. Congratulations. That was some zero drawdown entry. Congratulations, everyone. Well, I've already set my break even. Okay, very tight one, and I'm gonna take partial because this is a less high risk trade. Now, as it stands, we're on 0 risks because I've already taken my partial. Okay, so congratulations, everyone, for the first trade of the day. Let's see where we are. That's first trade of the day. Okay, congratulations everyone. Okay, and with this, I might even decide to end the live now because we've already made profits for the morning. 50 pips is something to take home. 50 pips is something to sleep on. You don't need to be greedy in the market saying you want to make 10,000 pips, 1,000 pips. 50 pips for me is the best way to end a day. You can just set that as a target. You say, every day I make 50 pips IREX, 0.01 lot size, 50 pips, $5. That's how you build your account. That's how you grow your account. Okay? That's how you grow your accounts. Every single day I make 50 pips, I rest. Single day, 50 pips, I go to rest. That's how. $55. If in a week you target 50 pips, each setup, 50 pips, 50 pips, 50 pips. In a week, you can't tell me you're gonna get a setup for a whole week. There's 5 days in a week, 5 setups, and then you tell me that you only target 50 pips and each day one setup per day, one setup per day. That's 5 setup. You can't tell me that in a week you get those setup and you're gonna fail all. That's impossible, except you don't know what you're doing. That's impossible. Okay, except you don't know what you're doing. But in a week, if you can get 5 trades, and let's just say 2 out of 3, okay, 2 out of 5 are bad, then 3 are good, then 50 50 50, that's 150 pips with your 0.01 lot size. That's $15. Then you lost 50 pips maximum stop loss. You lost that. That's 100 pips. So 150 minus 150. So you still have $5 in your balance. You close the week profitable. You can see that was easy. Next week you do the same thing. 5 5. You just, one thing is, being rich, being out of the financial whatever bondage with forex trading is just as easy as is slow and steady. Don't be deceived and say, yeah, you're using 0.01 lot size, you're not gonna get nowhere. That's a fat lie. Okay, 0.01 will take you somewhere. You are much more better than some traders. Some of them use the big lot size and don't even have strategy. They don't even know what they're doing. They just keep blowing and depositing. That's because they have capital. You that you know that you don't have capital and you're trying to get into forex with your last cash. Well, I wouldn't advise anybody to come into forex with their last and one and only cash. That's crazy. That's the most crazy thing to do. Your only cash that you know that is the last one, and you said you want to start forex with it. That's the most crazy thing to do, because you're gonna lose that money because you just started. You don't even have experience. You have nothing, so you're gonna lose that. So you need patience. So that's how you build funds. That's how you build balance. That's how you build everything. Slow and steady. You don't need to kill yourself. Okay? You don't need to kill yourself. Just slow and steady wins the race. That's just the simple English I'm gonna tell you. So we've made profit today. Okay. See where the XY is. Well, it has lost its strength. It has lost its strength. Oops. Okay, so we should expect gold to possibly sell anytime soon. As long as this shit hole here it's gonna buy, don't be expectant. You might expect gold to start falling anytime soon. Okay, so that's why you need to set your break even for that high risk buy. Okay, so we still have, this is the XY here, trying to buy or sell TCW. Okay, still here, just still weak. That's why we still have gold trying to buy, and also for Bitcoin here, all trying to buy. Well, we already made it with gold today, 50 plus pips. We pray for more. It should keep going up, and we might just end the live profitable. Okay. Congratulations, everyone. Win, 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 win. Okay.
Until you find your way back home. I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess.
With YouTube Music Premium, listen to ad-free songs even when you're offline or on the go. Discover new artists and podcasts, and create personalized playlists anytime, anywhere. Try 1 month free of charge.
YouTube Premium, videos and music ad-free. 1 subscription, 2 apps. Try it free of charge.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it hurts as I bleed for you, cry for you. Let me bleed.
All right. Where are we now? Well, at least we've made profit today, and that's approximately 60 plus pips. Okay. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the concurrent viewers, and thanks for the comments. I just have 5 minutes to end this live, so as long as it's 1 hour a day, we get a setup, we mark the zones, we drop them, and we wait for those entries to be triggered. So as today and now, this morning, as far as I'm concerned, we got a signal, a setup on live, called out the high risk buy with stop loss, took that buy, and it went all up until 34.17, 34.19, up until 34.19, from 34.13, 60 pips. Okay, it's just risking, and already I'm on break even, exactly a tight one. So even if it comes back to take me out on break even and continue, it's fine. But I've already made 60 pips, taking partials, and then break even, and we see gold where it takes us to from here, because we've already explained, due to the geopolitical tensions between Iran and Israel, we should expect gold to keep being bullish. Okay, so trade wise, trade like a pro, trade with patience, trade with confidence, and you will make it in the forex industry. But when you gamble, you don't have patience, you just enter the market anyhow, you thinking, yeah, it's, then that's when you're gonna keep losing in the market. Okay, so heads up, guys, and once again, congratulations to everyone that joined this live. This live is on countdown to end in the next 4 minutes. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining, and here is gonna be our bus stop for the live. Okay,
With
so
YouTube
see you
Music
on the
Premium,
next
listen
one.
to ad-free songs anywhere. Try 1 month free of charge.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers in this hate. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in their way.
is more to love with YouTube Music Premium. Listen to ad-free songs and discover new podcasts anytime, anywhere. Try 1 month free of charge.